Never just lay down, close your eyes, blast music, and just go to this world. It's just different. Third, play the beat. Cause you'll get it.
This one?
When you squeeze your eyes and then you open it and you see little flashes.
This is called A Sight of Sounds.
Squiggly line in my eye.
You take eyes.
That's not the beat at all. You can keep the vocals on it. That's not the beat.
Right there. Bang.
Just in the music. You heard what I just said?
You live electrically.
That circle is the basic stare, and that square sitting right there, that's a snare. The over here, the hi-hat is a thin rectangle, angled in a position so I can fit the key to unlock my dreams. I live here, take a look around and the sounds in here. Wanna shoot around, I got 'em by the pound. 16 bullets in the barrel makes a sound that's preparing for the hair in your subconscious. Obnoxious thoughts, you can go and put them all out. In this place, you have all this space to explore any reason why you ever had a doubt. Why don't you loosen up your flow? You're feeling choppy, it's pretty common for the first time visitors. You'll get used to it. Why don't you take a seat? I'll show you how to maneuver and you can create for yourself. Feel that? That's the basic in there. We come up with it cautious, but vibe really cool. That's just a toast, unless I wanna make you such a strengthen it. Depends on how you feeling, how you wanna set the mood. You want some dog shit? It's on to the real. What you feeling in here is really elevated, or you want the fight shit? Cause I can rally radicals ready to rip, bring at the belly. Any physics you think you already know, you're ready to get rid of it. Recreating a milestone picture. Anything goes, and anyone. If you can bring a witch and come on, pick up a brush up in the book, and you can put them in your ambiance. However you walk in is what they are gonna feel. Careful you don't end up in an ambulance. Once you trapped in, you can never disappear. Yeah. Look here what we just found. Found us a first sight of sound. It's silent now, but eventually I'll see sound. Hold up, don't move just now. Now we just chilling now, feeling high. I found a space and now the space so we can see the sound. There's one thing I forgot to warn you about in this world. Intruders, the rudest people you can meet. Word up. But yo, they harmless, they got nothing on us. See this brush we on us, they want us trashing it, we be gone. It's kinda confusing, they lure you in with compliments. It's nonsense if your common sense equipped, then you can honestly abate them. Out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of time. Negative energy kick out of line, out of all y'all out here spitting. Which one of y'all really wanna toe-to-toe with the flow? Anybody, anywhere, no anyone will let it, cause I'm looking for competitors, I'm quick to let it go. Oh, wanna be mentioned in the base about who's the greatest goat? Shit, you sheep will kill me. I'm looking for instrumentals, so grab them by the throat. It's cool here. They don't feel pain, they release sounds and colors. Found some others, I smother in them, run up in them, cut them, gotta shut them, then I brought them here to you for dinner. Choose the winner, choose the boss, choose the war, choose the force, who's the choose, who rules the world. It's the war, the words of my words, it's always wrong. Yo, look at what we just found. Found us the first sight of sound. It's silent now, but eventually I'll see sound. Don't move this down now, we just chillin' now, feeling high. I found a space and now the space so we can see the sound.